Want to trade crypto but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll actually show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up on Bybit and actually make your first trade. Now, if you don't know what Bybit is, it is a global exchange. It's one of the most popular, most user-friendly, and it's great for both beginners and pros. So, none of this is financial advice, but without further ado, let's dive into this. So this is Bybit, and Bybit is famous for having some of the cheapest fees, fastest trade execution, and highest liquidity. They've got a wide range of products. If we do go to the top bar here, we can see we've got P2P, we've got markets, trade, tools. There's a bunch of different tools here, including a trading bot. They've got a finance section for DeFi, and even a learning academy where you can learn all about trading for free. But one of the best parts about Bybit is their rewards hub. If we do click on that right now, we can see you can get tons of welcome gifts, which is basically free money simply by depositing or just trading small amounts. So this is a great way to get started trading. But I'm going to tell you exactly how to get the most out of this later, so be ready to click that link in the description and continue the tutorial. Now, when it comes to actually trading on Bybit, as we said, they've got spot, futures, options, bots, and even copy trading, but they also have 100x leverage with advanced risk management tools. So if we go up to the top here, we can see that yes, this does go all the way to 100x. And we can actually set up things like conditional orders. We have take profits and stop losses here, and a bunch of other really good features that other exchanges simply just don't let you do. They also have a super easy to use interface. Just like any other exchange here, we can see we do have the orders in the bottom left. We have a chart here in which we can conduct TA if we want, and unlike other sites, this isn't laggy, it is real time, and it's just super easy to use as we can see here. And if we do go to the tools section, we can see they do have a demo trading ability as well. So if you do just want to try the platform out, you can do so very easily here with the demo account. Now, another cool feature here, guys, is the copy trading. So basically what you can do with this is find a trader that's performing well. This guy looks like he's doing a pretty good job, and basically just copy them and allocate a certain amount of money for them to trade with. Now, they don't get to withdraw or control your money. This is simply a system where, yes, you copy them, so when they take a trade, your account takes a trade as well. This can be great if you are a beginner trader and you're looking for more advanced strategies. Guys, this video is sponsored by PrimeLink. Now, PrimeLink is definitely something you should be using because you get backlinks, you get QR codes, you get analytics, and much more. So definitely check out PrimeLink in the description. Let's get back to the video. Now, when it comes to depositing, it's super easy, guys. You can do a one-click buy with your bank card, and as well as that, you can do P2P, you can do a fiat deposit, and you can also do auto invest well. So those are some of the many features on Bybit, but it's also worth noting that they do have super strong security as well and a proof of reserved cold storage system. So basically, all of the coins they have, they try to get at least 1-to-1 in reserves. So if there is any issue, they can refund everyone's money. And they also have a bunch of other features such as a Bybit card, NFT marketplace, and a Web3 wallet. So definitely consider checking these guys out. But I will say, if you are going to sign up with Bybit, you should definitely use the Bybit Sharks link, because this is a little tip here, guys. These guys are releasing their very own alpha group soon. And yes, you're simply just joining with them on their link, and you get access to everything that they're going to be providing for this community. So yes, you could sign up to Bybit directly, but if you use Bybit Sharks affiliate link, when all of these features or more of these features become available that Bybit Sharks are doing, then you are going to be the first to know, and you get all of this completely for free. So this is basically a no-lose scenario where you do get to use Bybit as you were going to do anyway, but you get all of these extra features simply by using their referral link. Now, signing up for this is super easy. All you got to do is press the link in the description, guys, and you will be sent to the Bybit Sharks affiliate link. And as you can see here, it's exactly the same. All you got to do is sign up. So we could put our email, password in here, phone number if you would like as well, or you can sign up with Google, Apple, or Telegram. And of course, you do get a bunch of welcome rewards as well from signing up. You can see here, if you do deposit $500 and trade 5K volume, you get $50 for free. And this obviously scales up depending on your volume, so it makes sense to come over to Bybit and actually just trade as you normally would for the chance of getting up to 30. Now, once you've confirmed your email and actually signed up to the platform, go ahead and log in. And yes, you can KYC here as well. It only takes about 5 minutes, but that will depend on the regulations of the country you're in. Now, in order to get the bonuses, you are going to want to deposit and trade. So yes, deposit using any of the methods we've already discussed. And of course, if you want to take a trade, very simple to do so, guys. We can actually choose whether we want USDT or BTC here. And then we can basically see how much we want to trade with. So here we can see we're going to be on a 10x cross leverage. We can put in as much as we need here. So let's just go ahead and put in a pretty decent trade of $50,000. And let's say we want to long this area. All we're going to do is basically press the long button and then confirm that transaction to enter the trade. As you can see at the bottom here, boom, that trade has now been entered. Now, to exit this trade, super easy to do as well. We can exit by limit, so we can set a take profit price where it closes the trade, or we can exit by market. So this will basically give us a confirmation screen. How much of this do we want to close? Let's just close all of it here and confirm that, and then that trade is closed. Now, if we go to order history here, we can actually see that both of those trades were logged. So this is a great way of managing your account, trading easily, and you can set take profits and stop losses before you even get into the trade as well. So this is why I love Bybit, and this is why you guys should definitely go over and actually just give it a try, even if it is on the demo account. But with all of the bonuses, features of Bybit, I definitely think this is one of the best exchanges out there and one that I use frequently. But that's going to be it from me. Definitely check out Bybit Sharks in the description, guys. Use their link because you will get access to that alpha group. But that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.